Malaking bahagi po ng ating kasaysayan ng EDSA People Power Revolution na nagwakas sa mahigit 2 dekadang rehimeng Marcos. Balikan po natin ang makasaysayang pangyayari noon sa ulat na ito. February 22, 1986, 2 araw matapos ideklara ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos, inanunsyo ni Nooy Defense Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile at Nooy AFP Vice Chief of Staff Fidel Ramos ang kanilang pagtiwalag sa Administrasyong Marcos.
I cannot in conscience recognize the President as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, and I am appealing to my brother members of the Cabinet to heed the will of the people.
I am with Minister Enrile. And the reason for my being here, ladies and gentlemen, is that because the Armed Forces of the Philippines has ceased to be the real Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Minister Enrile and those with him have appealed for full and expressions of support. Those of you who wish to help to do so.
February 23, 1986, nanawagan na rin ang nakalaban ni Marcos sa snap election sa si Cory Aquino. Napuno ng taong kahabaan ng EDSA Ortigas at paligid ng Camp Aguinaldo at Camp Crame. Hinarang nila ang mga sundalong ipinadala ni Marcos at AFP Chief of Staff Fabian Ver.
What is happening is not a coup d'etat, but a revolution of the people.
February 24, 1986, nagkasa ng all-out attack sina AFP Chief of Staff Fabian Ver at Army Commander Major General Josefus Ramas laban sa mga anti-Marcos. Nagdeklara rin ng national emergency si Marcos pero marami ang hindi sumunod.
Lumabas kayo sa bahay ninyo sapagkat itong bayan na ito ay bayan ng malalayang mamamayang Pilipino.
February 25, 1986, nilisan ng pamilya Marcos ang Malacanang sakay ng helicopter ng Amerika. Tuluyan ng nagwakas ang 21 taon ni Marcos sa pwesto.